Hey, what's up everybody? It's Harley Larz. Thanks for tuning in. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video. I didn't really have a lot of things to say. I shared a lot of stuff in the group, but that was it. Now, June 30th was a milestone for me. I hit 1 year on carnivore. I did a lot different than a lot of people do. I was very strict, down to, the only thing I drank, period, is water with salt. I use mostly Baja Gold in my water. My food, even the rubs that I use on the meats, if it had one carb, it was out. So 0 carbs, 0 sugars, no MSG, no anti-caking junk in it, just as clean as I possibly can be. Nothing that we shouldn't have. My only vice was the bacon that I got was cured in sugar. That was probably it. And when I went out to eat, sometimes I ate stuff that wasn't as clean as I could. But I always asked to try to get the cleanest stuff. If I asked and their wings were cooked in vegetable oil, seed oils, I didn't eat them. So I was really, really clean for a year. June 30th was my full year. When I got sick, I was under the weather for a few days. I'm about 80% back now, so I wanted to do this video to share with you guys. I feel great. I feel great. If you look back, I'm gonna post a picture. Let's see how I could do this. Hope this comes out all right. That was me some months ago. I'll put a date on it when I took that picture. And you'll be able to see the difference. And then if you go on my TikTok, you could see the comparison from like 10 years ago, how much fatter I was. Now, when I got sick just now, it was a 64-hour fast. Not on purpose, I just wasn't hungry. So since then I lost a little bit more, but I went from, my highest weight ever was 226. When I started carnivore June 30th, 2024, I was about 210-ish. Now, I weighed myself this morning, 155. I'll probably gain a little bit back because I haven't eaten a whole lot. But my point is, I feel so much better. There are some downsides, I'll tell you that. Now when I sleep, my knees are touching, it's bone on bone. There's no fat in there. You're gonna wear a smaller size hat because there's no fat on your head. I went from extra large to a medium shirt. I went from a 36 and to these are 30, and look how loose they are, 30 pants. So, expect a new wardrobe. The only thing you can keep is your socks and your sneakers. Shirts, underwear, pants, everything's new, jackets, everything had to be new. Goodwill's your friend, I'm just saying. Anyway, I just want to share this with you because I'm excited. I made it a year, I made it clean. No cheat days, no cheat minutes, no cheat anything. And I feel good about that. It took some willpower. There were some times where I came really close, but I persevered and here we are. And it's now I'm a few days past because tomorrow's Independence Day and I still haven't cheated. And I thought about it when I was coming home to make something to eat. Ooh, carne asada burrito sounds so good right now. But I really want to save it until something I really, really want, not something that just sounds good. Like if I'm somewhere and there's nothing else to eat, I don't really have a choice, but you make choices. How'd you do it? I travel a lot for work. I'm on the road, I travel. Every city's different. Burgers are your friends. That's another thing I ate. I ate a lot of burgers. Some of them are, they are what they are. The cheeses are what they are. Some of them fry it and shit. Now, when you don't have a choice, you don't really ask. But Jack in the Box, Wendy's, McDonald's quarter pounders, Carl's Jr. You ask them for, you sell the patties separately. Then you get 2, 3, 4 of them, depending on how big they are, depending on how hungry you are, depending on how much you eat. Stack them with cheese, maybe add some bacon, and that's your meal. That's your meal, and I've done that quite often. if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help. I believe in this so strongly. That's why I created the group. That's why I created the TikTok for carnivore, because there's so much good happening in carnivore. I'm living proof. I believe in you. Stay healthy. Life is good.